How can evolution and faith coexist? Imagine a world where understanding the story of life doesn't mean losing your sense of wonder or belief. That's what many people wonder when they think about science and religion. Today, we'll look at how these two ideas can work side by side without conflict. Evolution is a scientific theory that explains how living things change over time through natural processes like natural selection and genetic mutations. It's supported by evidence from fossils, DNA, and how different species are related. This theory helps us understand the incredible diversity of life on Earth over billions of years. Faith, especially religious faith, often involves beliefs about creation, divine purpose, and the existence of a higher power. These beliefs are not testable by science because they deal with supernatural ideas beyond natural laws. The debate about whether evolution and faith can coexist started in the 19th century after Charles Darwin published his book on the theory of evolution by natural selection. Before that, many religious traditions accepted ideas about life changing over time. Some people interpreted sacred texts literally, which led to conflicts with scientific discoveries. Others found ways to see science and faith as compatible, believing that science explains how life changes while faith explains why life exists and what it means. One way to see harmony is through the idea of theistic evolution. This view says that a divine creator used evolution as a method to develop life's variety. It accepts the scientific evidence for evolution but also believes that God is behind the process. This allows people to see humans as both products of natural evolution and as special creations with spiritual importance. Many religious groups support this idea because it shows that faith and science can complement each other rather than oppose. Another key point is that science and religion focus on different questions. Science asks how things happen, using observation and experiments. Religion asks why things happen, exploring meaning, morality, and divine purpose. Because of this, many thinkers believe there is no need to see them as enemies. St. John Paul II, a former pope, said that faith and reason can work together, helping us understand the world better. Throughout history, dialogue between scientists and religious leaders has helped bridge gaps. Today, many people find comfort in knowing that believing in evolution does not mean abandoning their faith. They see science as explaining the natural world, while faith offers spiritual guidance and purpose. In the end, evolution and faith can coexist because they answer different questions about life. Evolution explains how life developed through natural processes, supported by scientific evidence. Faith provides a sense of why life exists and what it means on a spiritual level. Recognizing this separation and harmony allows us to appreciate both the scientific milestones and the spiritual foundations that shape human understanding.